3, I've got to caution you about red-headed women. Placing it, Said red my lady James, that's a fine motorbike, but a girl could feel special on any such light. Said James to Red Molly, my hat's off to you. It's a Vincent black lightning 1952. And I see you on the corners and cafes and scenes, red hair and black leather, my favorite color scheme. And he pulled her up behind and out a box of lady right. Said James to Red Molly, here's a rain for your right hand, but I'm telling you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. 'Cause I fought with the law since I was 17, and I robbed many's a man to get this Vincent machine. And I'm 21 years, and I might be 22, but I don't mind dying if it's for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, well, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Come down, Red Molly, called Sergeant McCrae. They have taken your James 80 for armed robbery. Shotgun blast to his chest, there's nothing left inside. Come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. And she came to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road, he was running out of breath. But he smiled to see her cry. He said, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. In my opinion, there's nothing in this world beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. See triumphs and Nortons and Beezers won't do. No, they don't have a soul like a Vincent 52. And he reached for a hand and he pressed her the keys. He said, I've no further use for these. See angels on every wheels and leather and chrome, coming down from heaven, Lord, they're coming for to carry me home. He gave her one last kiss and then he died, and he gave her his Vincent to ride. He gave her one last kiss and then he died, and he gave her his Vincent